Welcome to Chair Zombie. Now, this is a variation on the other zombie games that we have. In this one, you're going to need as many chairs as you have students. The larger the space, the better. Normally, I wouldn't play it in this smaller space, but just for you guys, we'll do it. So, Emma, you're going to be my zombie. Go and stand over there. So, whoever is the zombie, you want them as far away from the chair as possible. Now, these zombies are really into chairs. They care nothing about people, only chairs. And the way to save humanity is you cannot let the zombie sit on a chair, because then we would all crumble and it's over. So the zombie can only walk at a slow pace. Doesn't have to be that slow, a little bit faster than that. It's up to these guys to cover that chair. But obviously, once that chair is covered, there's a new chair that's free, and the zombie will go to that, and then so on and so forth. The rule is, once your bottom has left the chair, you are not allowed to sit back down on that chair until you've at least sat on a different chair. Okay? Are you ready to give it a go?
Yeah!
Okay, I'm going to get out of the way. Ready? And away you go, Emma.
Girl. Wait. Oh, you should have.
And our zombie has won. Now, with this game, it's very important to be aware of who's going to what chair. So once everyone starts standing, it's going to be mayhem. We're going to do it one more time. Emily, you got the zombie. Let's see how it goes. Ready, zombie Emily? Get your chair. You can make your nice zombie noise. No running, no running. And that's how you play it. So the idea, also there's not meant to be any running. People get really excited. The reason why, because chairs will flip. Have fun playing this game.